TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. 1 p.m. Eastern time on Friday. 3 hours left to go in the trading week. And we got markets escalating to negative territory on fears of that deadly coronavirus spreading. Now estimated that we may see a third confirmed case in the U.S. S&P's negative by 23 points, trading at 3303. We were below 3,300 briefly. Dow Jones off 126, trading at 29,034. We were below 29,000 briefly in the Dow. We'll jump over to the charts in a moment. And the Nasdaq off 49 points at 93.53. Gold catching a bid, up $6 at 15.71. Notes and bonds, we're getting some lower yield. We're getting higher price as investors flocking to safety in those bonds. The 10-year up 13 ticks at 130.06. The 30-year up 29 ticks at 160.15. And the dollar index up 185 ticks at 97.878. We'll start things off. We'll start it off with the VIX. Quite a spike to 1573 as the first sign of some serious fear in this market. We were at a 12 handle early in the day, back to a 1453, 1573, the high on that VIX. Jumping around a bit, we'll pull up a chart of the 10-year yield, 1.689%, as we've seen the yields go from 1.76 to almost the low, 1.68%. The headline driving most of this action, there it is. Senator says CDC to confirm third case. When we started our show, Tom and I, at 10 a.m. this morning, there was just the one case. A second case confirmed at 10:14 a.m., I believe, and now you have the case with a third case looking to be confirmed by the CDC. And there it is. We have U.S. and federal local authorities are monitoring more than 60 people that had come in contact with whether the first or second cases in the U.S. The CDC said we're expecting more cases in the U.S. and are likely going to see some cases among close contact of travelers and human-to-human transmission. The virus has an incubation period of about 2 weeks before infected people start to show symptoms. Pretty scary stuff, folks, when you can be basically contagious for almost 2 weeks. There's your fall off on the Dow. I'll jump through these quickly. There's your fall off on the Nasdaq. S&P's dip below 3,300. Back above, we're falling again. There's your gold contract at 1572. Should be an interesting final few hours of the trading week. Stay tuned, folks. Steve Rhodes coming up live at 1 o'clock. Dave White live at 2 o'clock. Tom O'Brien live at 3 o'clock. Markets in negative territory. Stay tuned, folks. We'll be right back.